Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a workout to your Apple Watch. So, today we have the Apple Watch SE 1st Gen. It is going to work on all Apple Watches, so it doesn't matter what Apple Watch do you have, it is going to work the same. So, we want to go to the main app screen by pressing the digital crown once. And you want to find the workout app. This is the icon of the workout app on the main app screen. You want to go in, and to add the workout you want to scroll down all the way down and press add workout. And now, as you can see, you can choose from all the workouts enabled on the workout app, or even you can press other, and you have all the workouts now enabled. So for example, let's maybe add surfing, because why not? And now you have the surfing on the top of the workouts. And also in the workouts you can change the options of each workout. For example, let's go to a full swim. Let's press these three dots, and as you can see right now, we can change the time to how many minutes or hours we want to finish by this workout. We can change also the distance of how many meters we have swimmed, and also the distance in miles, and how many calories we want to burn through the workout. The Apple Watch is going to measure it and send you a notification after completing the distance, completing the time, or completing the or burning the calories, the amount of calories that you have set it. And also you can change everything right here to your needs, and then press create workout. And for example, let's say that we want to focus on kilocalories, and this is it. This is how you add and change settings in the workout. And you can see now we have a pool swim that was set a goal to 195 kilocalories. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.